Hi, in this video we will see what is EXP function in Tableau. So EXP function is a numeric function in Tableau, and the full form of EXP is the exponential, and the name of the function itself suggests that this function helps us to find the exponential of any particular number. So in order to create this function, let's just first create one calculation field. Set the title, and here I write function. We can see here the exp function takes one input as a number, and it will find the exponential of that particular number that we will use as input. So, and on the right side we can see the definition of this function. So it says exp function returns e raised to the power of the given number. So basically it will return the exponential of the particular number. So for example, if I set the value here is 5, so it will find the exponential of 5. So after I click on apply, okay, and take this exponential field and drop it onto the label or text. After that, click on this drop down, go to measure and select average. So the exponential of 5 or e raised to power 5 is equals to the 148.4. So this is value of e raised to power 5. So if you want to change or manipulate your value, you can just simply type here any other different number. So for example 0, and click on apply. So we all know that the exponential of 0 or e raised to power 0 is equals to 1. And or let's take example of let's say 12. Click on apply. So this is the value of 12, e raised to power 12. And if you set 1, click on apply, and the value of e raised to power 1 is equals to 2.718. So this is how we can use this function. So it helps us to find the e raised to power any given number which we are using inside the function as an input. So this is how we can use the exp function in